Bless. Good girl. Can you be surprised? Surprised? Ah. Can you be happy? How about...
Hello and welcome to Celebrity Home. Latest sa ating channel. Napaka-cute na anak ni na Angelica Panganiban at Greg Homan na si Baby Bean, napakagaling umakting. Ang 1-year-old na anak ni Angelica ay talaga namang kinagiliwan ng mga netizens sa bago nitong video, na nakuna ni Greg. Iba't ibang emotions ang ipinagawa kay Baby Bean, na agad naman nitong sinusunod at ginagawa. Nakakatuwang mapanood ito na marunong din mag-bless.
Aba. High five? Yes. Congratulations. Shake my hands. How about bless? Bless. Good girl. Can you be surprised? Surprised? Ah. Can you be happy? How about pretty? Pretty. Pretty. How about angry? Grrr. How about sad? Oh, so sad.